Guy's going to drop in from the top, safety down, one safety back in the middle.
First and 15, and what a catch! Oh, wow! Velcroed by Cole.
The best catch easily this year. We can go back here. That's Odell Beckham right there. Look at that. And then keep it away from Rowe.
Play action fake. That batter wants to go deep. Down the field. It goes toward Deshaun Jackson. Makes the catch to the 40, to the 30, to the 25. Deshaun Jackson to the 20. 15, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1. First play of the game. Touchdown Tampa Bay. Wow. Fire the cannons. Fire them again.
And I think we just have to stay humble, you know. And we got to make sure we know how to handle success and all those things. So we can't change who we are.
Mahomes. Chris Conley's got it back in the end zone. Touchdown! Touchdown! He's got a touchdown! Touchdown! He fires it late, and the pass is going to be caught. Are they going to give it to him?
The rule on the field is changed to a touchdown.
Touchdown! Mahomes throwing left sideline. Pass is caught. Tyreek Hill. Touchdown!
Look at the concentration of Adam Thielen, 19. In between two Packers. Ball's bobbling, takes it to his body, and goes into the end zone. Supreme concentration by Adam Thielen.
3rd and 17. Max strips it! He is unbelievable! Khalil Mack strips it down. Empty set, as you mentioned. Oh, it is picked off Amukamara! Can he get past Russ? He does! My, oh my! This has got to feel good for the Bears' new man, Matt Nagy.
The catch by AGHOLOR, and then the tremendous athleticism out of bounds.
He's going to find him. Stafford does on the throw. Tart runs him out of bounds, and it's short of a first down.
Is that one of our guys down there holding the parab? No. Parabolic Mike just got trucked. I think we'd have heard it better if it was one of our guys.
Yeah. Titans snap it directly to Byard. He throws to Cruikshank. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, end zone. Touchdown, Titan! Yes! Yes! Kevin Byard can do it all! That's a great start to this football game.